If Microsoft Word is showing error 29, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem quickly. Error 29 is often related to a licensing, sign-in, or authentication issue, which means Word may not be able to verify your account properly. The good news is that you can usually fix it without reinstalling everything right away. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more useful tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Microsoft Word and sign out of your account. This is an important first step because it refreshes the connection between Word and your Microsoft license. Once you've signed out, sign back in using the same account that is linked to your Office subscription or product key. After signing in again, give Word a moment to recheck your license and see if the error disappears. If the problem is still there, close Word completely and make sure all other Microsoft Office apps are closed too. That includes Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and any background Office processes. Next, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run box. In the Run window, type %local app data, %Microsoft, and press Enter. This will open the Microsoft folder in your local app data directory. Inside this folder, look for the OneAuth folder and the IdentityCache folder. These folders store authentication and sign-in data, and if they become corrupted, they can cause Microsoft Word error 29. Delete both folders carefully. Don't worry, Windows and Office will recreate the needed files automatically the next time you sign in. After deleting them, restart your computer to make sure the changes fully take effect. Once your PC restarts, open Word again and sign in one more time. In many cases, this step alone fixes the issue because Word gets a fresh license check and rebuilt authentication data. If you still see the error, there is one more thing you should check right away, and that is your system date and time. Make sure your computer's date, time, and time zone are accurate. If your clock is wrong, Microsoft services may reject the sign-in attempt, which can trigger activation or verification errors inside Word. To fix this, go to your Windows settings, open Time and Language, and turn on Automatic Time if it's available. Then confirm that the time zone is correct for your region. If the error still continues, open Control Panel and go to the Microsoft Office Program Settings. From there, look for the option to change or repair Microsoft Office. Running a quick repair can fix damaged files, missing components, or installation problems that may be causing Word error 29. If quick repair does not work, you can try the online repair option for a deeper fix. After the repair process is done, restart your computer again and test Microsoft Word one more time. At this point, most sign-in and license-related issues should be resolved. If Word opens normally, that means the error was likely caused by a corrupted cache, a license sync problem, or incorrect system time. So to recap, the main fixes for Microsoft Word error 29 are signing out and back in, deleting the OneAuth and IdentityCache folders, checking your date and time, and repairing Microsoft Office if needed. These steps are safe, effective, and often resolve the issue without a full reinstall. If this tutorial helped you fix Microsoft Word error 29, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.